I can't believe that in 2020 I wasn't able to do any hairstyle. And today we are going to do this hairstyle as we are in this year, guys. So, story time. So, back then I always wanted like to do hairstyles, and I didn't have money to go to a hair training school. And I did not believe that on YouTube you can actually come and watch videos and learn how to make hair. So the person that encouraged me that she can manage to do the hairstyle, like she can help me out. I remember another day when I just seated, hoping and thinking that she would text me to call me to come so that I can do the hair. And there is another time that I remembered, like days, nights, hours, minutes passed without her calling me to invite me to come so that we could start the training that she promised me. So I just took my phone and I WhatsApped her asking her when should I come to start learning, and the lady said that she is too busy, that she would get back to me. I waited days, hours, minutes, seconds. Yes, the person didn't wait or didn't come back to me. So I remember telling myself that would you wait on someone or would you just start? So I just kickstart by watching a video. Thank God when I was watching a video, there is a video that I watched, and the YouTuber write a caption that you could do this. So I was interested and I logged in. So the YouTuber's name was Chide. Chide Loves You. That's the YouTube channel. And she could do hairstyle of her daughter. So I was just learning from there, and I watched videos for Jassy, Mom and Jazz. I watched videos from different YouTubers, learning how they could do braiding, learning how they could control, learning different things. And after learning, you know what's next each time that you learn. Each time you learn, you need to go and practice. So there is a time that I seated and I went on my daughter's hair to just learn to do. So I remember trying to do one line and it came horrible. I just removed the line and I went to sleep. Another time I kept trying, and the time I did braids, they were so bent, like they were not that impressive, but I was happy that I could achieve something out, even if they were ugly. But I was happy. The feeling was like, oh, so you can do this. So I kept on practicing until I started to practice on people's head. I practiced on the children of a lady that we were staying with, and I practiced on clients, guys. So I am grateful now that it's few years now, and now I could do hair. So guys, just keep watching. Bye.